advanced Brutus as head of Caesar and conspirator.
Amityada as a soothsayer astrologer.
Anshrikorn as Casca, a conspirator.
Akriti as a Cassius conspirator leader.
Aditya Singh as Mark Antony, Lord of Julius Caesar and a supporter.
Nansika Singh as a Portia Brutus' wife.
Anamika Gupta as Calpurnia, Caesar's wife.
Himanti as a Pecunious conspirator.
So the drama of Julius Caesar started as
Julius Caesar was a famous Roman general and leader. He won many battles and made Rome stronger.
at the public street.
Where soothsayer warned Caesar about what is going to happen in center.
Thank you, senators, friends, and citizens of Rome. I have come here to discuss my recent subject. I have lots of army. I have lots of army. I have lots of army who succeed in Egypt and Rome, expanding the power and influence of great emperors.
Caesar!
Who is calling me?
We are right and march.
Who is this man?
Caesar, the soothsayer mystic, the rare eyes of Mars.
He is a demon. Let us leave him pass.
Now the senators secretly planned to kill Julius Caesar, fearing he will become a ruthless and cruel and take too much power.
Let Antony and Caesar die together.
No, let Antony live is not enough. I love Caesar, but I fear his power. What is his greatness? It's wrong.
We refuse to turn down, but every time reason knows to give it up. We all stand against the state of Caesar. Yes, we all stand up against the state of Caesar.
Brutus in a conflict.
Where Brutus lost Caesar, his power will far more. Cassius convinced him to join their cause to protect their country. Brutus, do you want Caesar to be king?
I love Caesar, but I love Rome more.
If Caesar rules, then we all will lose our freedom.
Maybe, but I must think before I act.
Remember, he's just a man like us.
Yes, true. I will think for Rome's good only. That's all.
Brutus is in trouble, hiding secrets Portia asked him to share. He loves her, but feels duty bounded, torn by his secret plans.
Hey, Portia, why did you come here alone in the middle of the night?
My lord, you are hiding something from me. You were disturbed and upset, and I had sleep that night. My lord, I fear something. My lord, who is behind the door?
Nothing, dear Portia. I will explain everything later. Just wait. For you, God, render me. What's the all this novel?
Scene 5.
As of March,
Calpurnia, wife of Julius Caesar. She is scared and asks Caesar to stay home for the height of March. Caesar hesitated and promised to stay home, but Casca convinced him to go, ignoring the danger.
Please, excuse dear, stop for 2 days.
Why?
I had a very bad dream about you. Postpone your visit and stay at home. Your statue is broken, head is cut off. Your clothes from it. I'm afraid of it, dear. My lord, please, be serious. I feel something will happen to you.
Ha ha ha! Caesar is more dangerous than Caesar. Remember, cowards died many times before their death. Brave test that advance.
Please, dear.
Okay, Mark and Mr. say I am well. For your sake, I will stay at home.
Caesar, Senator is proud today if you do not want this name of your Caesar.
Calpurnia, how could your fear sleep now? Give me my room. I will go. The eyes of God have come.
Yes, Caesar, from now on, be aware, be aware, be aware.
So far, we saw Senator and Caesar's friend planning to kill me. Calpurnia's dream and the soothsayer warned Caesar, but he still decided to go to the Senate. What do you think will happen next? Will the conspirator succeed? Or will Caesar find out about their plan?
Rebellion, keep him alive.
Yes, yes.
Pardon, brother mighty Caesar.
I could be moved if I but help you, but I am confident and unchained.
Freedom is gone. Tyrant is dead. Tyrant is dead.
The marble hall is drenched in chaos. Caesar's body lies motionless. The senator, conspirator stand frozen, their hands trembling, crimson with blood. The echoes of the crowd exclaim fade into a heavy and suffocating silence.
Follow Caesar.
Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I have come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do lives after death. The good is often interred with their bones. So let it be with Caesar. Brutus told you Caesar was a vicious man. I am not here to disapprove what Brutus spoke, but I am here to speak what do I know. You all did love him once, not without any cause. What cause he told you then to mourn for him?
The drama teaches that ambition, jealousy, and the misuse of power can destroy even the greatest leader and the strongest friendship. It also shows that violence, betrayal, even when done with good intention, lead to chaos and regret. True leadership requires wisdom, loyalty, and understanding, not fear or manipulation.
Wow, that was pretty marvelous.